Hi there, students. To skulk. Okay, to skulk is to spend some time hidden where people can't see you, or when you'd rather not be seen. Maybe you skulk in a dark place, or you skulk at the back of the house or behind the buildings. He was skulking in a dark place. Let's see, this word is very similar to lurk. To lurk means to hide in a bad place, and normally with bad intentions. I think with skulk, the spin or the twist of the idea is more spending time where nobody can see you, whereas lurk has more the idea of hiding and not being seen. Do you have an extra pen? I'm sure there's one skulking at the bottom of my bag, spending its time unseen. I'm sure there's one lurking at the bottom of my bag, hidden where I can't see it. Okay, so to skulk, to spend time where people can't see you, because you're embarrassed, or maybe because you're doing something wrong. So at school the kids were skulking behind the bike sheds, smoking, so that the teachers couldn't see them. Okay? Notice as well, to skulk is a regular verb. Skulk, skulked, skulked. And what about formality? I think this verb is neutral, maybe a little bit informal. I think it's great for an informal conversation. I think maybe in a more formal document, hiding, remaining unobserved, waiting in a hidden place, something like that. Okay, so to skulk, effectively to go somewhere where people can't see you, to hide, to be unseen. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To skulk.